This video will take you through the typical stages in the graduate recruitment and selection process. Knowing what to expect and ensuring that you're adequately prepared for each step of the application and selection process will increase your chances of success. Although not all stages are identical, this video will outline 4 typical stages with tips on how to do your best. Stage 1 is the online application. Most employers will require you to complete an online application. The length of the form will vary, as well as the amount of detail you are asked to provide. Make sure you allow enough time to fill the form in correctly. Some employers will ask you to provide a CV. Ensure that it is concise, up-to-date, and correctly formatted. Stage 2 is assessment and screening. Either as part of the online application process or once you have completed an online application, you may be required to complete an online assessment. This will likely take the form of a work-oriented personality questionnaire, a verbal or numerical reasoning test, or it may be a gamified assessment. The assessments will evaluate certain attitudes and personality traits, thought patterns and reasoning, decision-making and problem-solving approaches, language skills and/or numerical proficiency. Here are 3 tips to complete an online assessment. Tip 1. Find the right time. Make sure you are well rested, that you have enough time and data. Tip 2. Read the instructions carefully. There will usually be 1 or 2 practice examples for you to attempt. Tip 3. Balance speed with accuracy. Be mindful of the imposed time limitations. If your application is successful, you may be invited for a screening interview. The screening interview will be conducted via one of 3 possible formats: a telephonic screening, a digital interview with pre-recorded questions that an applicant needs to record responses to, or a face-to-face interview. To increase your chances of success, make sure you do adequate research about the organization and the role. Rehearse some answers to typical interview questions and get your friend to give you a mock interview. Pick out an outfit that is comfortable and professional. And when answering questions, listen, pause, and reflect before you answer. And lastly, be your authentic self in the interview. Stage 3 could involve attending an assessment center as part of the selection process. An assessment center consists of multiple simulation exercises to reproduce what you are typically likely to encounter on the job. These exercises are scored by multiple and different assessors. They are rigorous and multifaceted in their approach. Now let's look at examples of simulation exercises. An in-basket exercise involves completing tasks in a typical day, such as completing a day's email. You will be required to prioritize and address many issues or problems in writing. A role-play exercise could take the form of meeting with another person, usually an assessor. There are a few possible scenarios, such as dealing with a customer complaint or working with a colleague to decide on a project for the organization. In a group exercise, you and your fellow candidates are given a tough problem or a situation to deal with. For a presentation exercise, you may be given a topic and asked to prepare and deliver a presentation. Many assessment centers will include a final interview with a panel of assessors. Often the panel will consist of a team of people that you would typically interact with on a day-to-day basis. At this point, you're probably thinking that an assessment center sounds intimidating. Here are some tips to help you do your best. 1. Plan the logistics. Ensure that you have accurate directions and that you get to the assessment center at least half an hour early. 2. Give careful thought to the dress code and ensure that you look neat and presentable. 3. Be natural and authentic. 4. Make sure you collaborate in group activities. Ensure that all candidates are included and have an opportunity to share their input. 5. If you encounter a panel interview, be sure to balance engagement and eye contact with all interviewers. And lastly, if you are asked a question that you do not know an answer to, be honest and open to learning. Stage 4. If the process you have gone through does not include an assessment center, you may be asked to attend a final interview. The final interview could be a one-on-one interview, or it might be a panel interview. And if you pass this stage, you will receive an official job offer.